What's up, guys? Most of y'all know I'm a Nissan Max 9. So today I came across this junk. You know, this the heart of the Maxes right here. Might be a little rough around the edges, but it's for the load. For the load. So jumped in the Max, finna go look at the Max. So I'ma show y'all, man. Car flipping 101. I got my jumper pack with me. You know what I'm saying? I keep my handy dandy scanner with me. You know what I'm saying? So this a no runner. So it's a very, very cheap deal. So I'm on the way to look at it. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna go probably pick my partner up, and then we finna go look at it. Well, I might do it by myself if he busy. But it's just 15 minutes away from the house. And I'm taking y'all with me on this tour, man. You know what I'm saying? On this little journey, man, because this is what I do. So, I'ma see y'all there when I get there and check out the car and stuff. Because, like, you gotta just take your chances, man. I got the money, but it gotta make sense. You know what I'm saying? I think they having some type of paperwork issues on it. So, whatever they asking for, I'll be willing to give them less. Because that's just how the game goes. You know, if I gotta fix something that gonna cost me money, I gotta knock money off. And I gotta fix the car too. So, I'ma see y'all when I get there. We 9 minutes away from the location, guys. When you going to check out a car or whatever, I told y'all when I was like just talking, now I'm finna show y'all. When people selling cars or something, it's always a reason they selling the car. So they know the reason. It's for you to guess the reason that they selling the car. You know how I do it, man. Max.
I sold a lot of vehicles. This is all my son's stuff.
Mm-hmm.
He got in a real bad motorcycle wreck, and they fixed him up, but now he needs another operation, and he'll be down for 8 months.
Ooh.
Is what they're saying. So.
When the last time you drove it?
Oh, it's been sitting here.
It
hasn't been titled, licensed in 7 years.
Mm.
My son bought it back when he was still on a lot of pain medicine. I hope this works. It's humming.
Let's see.
But he drove it in here.
Up like a champ, though.
It just keep cutting off.
That's it. So the engine does run. It's just not. One, the tank has got 7-year-old gas in it. So the fuel pump is probably stuck too. But he drove it in here. It needs, if you read the ad, you would find out it needs a lot of suspension work.
And just sign it down here, like sign and print, and then figure out what we gonna do.
What size it is?
It's just 65.
65.
I couldn't get anything bigger once I took out that fireplace mantle, so that's good enough for how close this is. Okay. I just made the deal happen. Got the title. Got the paperwork. Yeah, got me a Max. For everyone I like. So, I'm finna get it away from up on the hill. Get it out in the front somewhere so I can come back and snatch it. And yeah. another one, guys. SFN Auto, baby.
From the bottom, started in the junk, made it out the shit, a nigga still kept it 100.